Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below, so once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified. For you who's already part of Winnfrey's kitchen family, asante sana, and stay tuned for more of these delish recipes. Today I'm going to show you a simple way of preparing beef stew. Let's cook together. For the ingredients, we need beef, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 medium-sized courgette, 1 large onion, a bunch of coriander leaves and stem, 4 cloves of garlic. For the spices, we need a half tablespoon of paprika, a half tablespoon of curry powder, a half tablespoon of cumin, 1 beef cube, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The first thing that we'll do is marinate the beef with half of the spices and let this stay for around 30 minutes, then add the all-purpose flour. Ensure that all pieces are well coated with the flour. The reason why we add the flour is to thicken the stew. Put the beef aside, then prepare the vegetables. Chop the onions into small cubes, dice the carrots and courgettes, cut the coriander into 2, the stem part and the leafy part. Then chop the stem separately from the leafy parts, mince the garlic, and finally grate the tomatoes. In a pan, heat some oil and add the coated beef. Ensure that the beef is well browned. Put the beef aside and then in a sufuria add some onions, coriander stems and garlic. Let this saute for a few seconds, then add the carrots and the courgette and also let this saute for another 30 seconds. Add the grated tomatoes and the remaining spices and the salt and let this cook thoroughly. Add the browned beef, give it a good mix and let this cook well. Finally, Add some water and let this simmer on low heat until it's thoroughly cooked and it's soft enough to chew. Once it's well cooked, garnish the stew with coriander leaves and voila! The stew is ready. This beef stew goes well with rice, mashed potatoes, ugali, and even chapati. I had mine with chapati and some cabbage, and this combo was fire. Please try this amazing recipe and let me know how yours turned out in the comment section below. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick, easy, and delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, sayonara!